Well, I've come in bright and early with coffee in hand to make these tires fit. Wish me luck. Send more coffee. Good news, the front will spin freely. We haven't worked on turning yet. Bad news is the back tire is jammed against the strut. I gotta get a wheel spacer or something. So that's the first problem I'm seeing, is the width of these tires is too much. You can see right here, it's rubbing against the strut. I'm gonna have to get a wheel spacer on that to get me out of this pickle. Wheels on, barely. It's rubbing, but I can still spin it. It'll get me out of the shop so we can move the truck a little bit. I'm gonna order some wheel spacers or create wheel spacers back to the front, because that's gonna take the most work. So I didn't expect the back to be as difficult as it is, but the front is moving freely without a wheel spacer. Lock this way. Full droop, no rub, that's great. Lock this way. That's not a good sound. But actually it's not too bad because it'll spin. So I'm gonna set this on the ground, see what we can see, and go from there. Right here is where it's gently rubbing. There's a stud sticking out here. I'm gonna wanna address that. Under compression, I don't want it to rip the tire open. And the rest of this, I'm not really even concerned about. I'm gonna pull it off, see what's to be seen. Maybe this will make its way into the recycler. As you can see, there's really nothing back here except for this dangerous stud. This is all formed metal. I'm gonna massage that back a little bit just to be on the safe side. And things that we've learned on the Disco 3s and 4s is this can cause trouble under compression and rip the tires up. So I'm gonna notch it and fold it up, fold it in that way. And get that out of harm's way, and score one for the front of the plucky Ducky. I think we'll put the liner back in and she's gonna be good to go. With all the pointy parts bent out of the way on that seam, we'll put the guard back on, put the truck on the floor, and see what happens. Feeling very good. Front's working, no problem. I'm gonna get to the other side and get that done. Have to think of something for the wheel spacers, but as of now, the Ducky is running 32-inch tires in the front.